Hey everyone, welcome back to the Riffsphere channel. In this video, we will be installing and configuring Prowlarr. Prowlarr is a tool designed to manage your various download indexers in one place. Let's get started. Go to the Apps tab in your Unraid interface and search for Prowlarr. Select the version you want to use and click on the Install button. Verify that the name is set correctly. Then set the network to our custom network to ensure proper communication. For the web interface, you can leave it at the default port. Next, expand the More Settings section. Make sure the app data path is set to the Prowlarr folder in our app data share. Verify that the PUID, PGID, and UMask values are set to 99, 100, and 022 respectively. Once you have reviewed and verified all the settings, click on the Apply button to initiate the installation of Prowlarr. That's it. Prowlarr is now installed and ready to be configured. In the next video, we will explore how to set up indexers and integrate Prowlarr with our other media management tools. Thanks for watching, and be sure to like and subscribe for more content.